Hi, this is Dan Stewart, and this is your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Monday, September 27th, 2010. Well, the Dow was down 48 points today to 10,812, the S&P down 6.5 to 1142, and the NASDAQ down 11.5 to 2369. Oil was down 32 cents to 76.17. Gold was up 10 cents to 12.96, and silver, the big winner of the day, up 1/3% or 7 cents to 21.46. On the Treasury front, 5-year is 1.28, 10-year is 2.517, and 30-year 3.699. Yields were down and therefore prices were up. The dollar was up against the euro and the yen, but down against the pound. I wonder if the British government deciding to be administraff for the entire country, where they process everybody's payroll, helps strengthen the pound. The Dallas manufacturing Fed number came out way below expectations. Survey was for -6. It came out at -17.7. Europe was down across the board with the exception of Norway, which was up just marginally. The Euro Stoxx 50 index was down over 0.5%, along with Great Britain. Spain was down right at 1%, but most of the major countries were down between 1/3 and 0.5%. Fresh new worries about the European banking system was one catalyst, and then there's protest in a couple different countries. The Romanian Prime Minister resigned because of an angry police protest over a 25% pay cut. 25% in 1 year, that's a pretty big pay cut, especially if you're the one supposed to be keeping law and order. Over in Asia, it was up across the board. Countries were up anywhere between 1/3% all the way up to 2%. Indonesia was up 2%, Japan 1 1/3, Hong Kong was up 1, and Australia 1.5. Most of the other countries were right around 0.5%. Exporters were up big in Japan because of the Japanese bailout. Yes, you heard it. Japan is announcing a multi-billion-dollar, that's multi-billion in US dollars. In yen, it's trillions and trillions. So the exporters were up in hopes that the yen would go down. Also, tensions between Japan and China have relaxed a little bit over the last few weeks. And this has been Dan Stewart for your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Monday, September 27, 2010.